Okay, this box is amazing. Amazing artwork. There's the side, the black and white. There's the 50th anniversary of Lucasfilm thing. Some comic art on that side. This looks amazing. This packaging is great. And here he is out of the box. Figure looks fantastic. Only thing is I can already see that those are still the old Darth Maul legs, so they're not the greatest. But this whole upper body is a completely new sculpt. It looks great. For accessories, he of course comes with his double-bladed lightsaber. Okay, so the first issue with these old legs is that he can't really stand at attention. His legs are going kind of outward. His feet are actually not completely flat on the ground right now. So they sit more out like that. You can push him in, but again, it doesn't sit flat. So he's kind of bow-legged. He doesn't stand good at attention. The other thing is look how far down his knee, like his knee is his shin. Like his knee should be like here, instead it's down here. So you have a really long thigh, and then knee, and then tiny little shin down to the foot. The proportions are off, and it's obvious that they're way off. Alright, now let's go over articulation. Head of course goes all the way around. Side tilt. Forward goes a decent bit. Doesn't really have much back though. As for the shoulders, comes up a good way. Butterfly joints in there. Horse goes all the way around. Single jointed elbow. Gets past 90. And then a normal around and up and down on the hand. For the abdomen, has a lot of a round there. That's really good. Not very much forward bend. Not too much back bend either, honestly. And then his lower half is completely stationary. Does not turn. Which is kind of odd. The top half has a lot of motion. Alright, and now the articulation on these legs that are from the first wave of the Black Series. It goes up not very far. It goes out pretty much all the way. There's a swivel at the thigh. Double jointed knees. Very low double jointed knees. His skirt kind of gets in the way, but it does go back decently. And then a normal pin and rocker at the foot. So yeah, overall this figure looks amazing and I love it. The top half is great. It's weird that it doesn't turn at the midsection. But the lower half is just really old and outdated at this point, and it's just kind of irritating that they still just chose to reuse those legs. I feel like everyone was upset when they reused these same legs on Nihilus, and so why they would decide to do it again, I don't know. Instead of just giving them new legs. But also the Night Brother that's going to be coming out in the GameStop line, I'm pretty sure is the same exact thing as this body, same legs. It's gonna be repainted differently, and so that's gonna be the same thing. Great top, not so good at the legs, but it's whatever. It does look cool. I am really glad I have it. The box is awesome. I do really like it. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.